All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at our problem. Mrs. Queen bought a new coffee mug with her Christmas money. She had $5. The coffee mug cost $3.72. What was her change? Use the fewest coins possible. The first thing I want to notice is how much the coffee mug cost. It cost $3.72. Notice she had $5. So clearly they're not going to keep all of the $5. She's going to get some change back. So our job is to find out what was her change. And we want to keep in mind that we want to use the fewest coins possible. So we want to trade out for fewer coins. All right, let's get started. So the first thing is I am going to have to start at this $3.72 because that's how much the coffee mug is going to cost. And I'm going to count up to the $5. So let's go ahead and try that. First of all, I see 3.72 and 1 penny makes $3.73. And 1 penny makes $3.74, and 1 penny makes $3.75. Now, when I get to something that ends with a 5, I can start to use my nickels, which are worth 5. So we add $3.75 and 5 more makes $3.80. Now I've made it to a 10, so I'm going to come down and I'm going to grab my 10. So $3.80 and 10 makes $3.90. And 10 makes $4. Now that I've made it to $4, I can come over and I can grab my dollar bill and I can put that up here, and that is actually my $5. Okay? Now, I want to show you something. I want to show you that we had 10 and 10 and 5 here. And if we want to use the fewest coins possible, then what we want to do is we actually want to trade 10, 20, and 5 for something that has a value of 25 cents. So I'm going to put my quarter up there because that's worth 25 cents. And I'm going to put my dime back because that's 10, 20, and then my 5 is 25 cents. All right, I'm going to move my dollar over here. And now we're going to have to figure out exactly how much change she got back. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to count. And I actually like to mark on mine when I count it. So let's go ahead and we're going to mark. This is $1. So here's my dollar. Then I have, and here's my whole dollar there. Here's my dollar. All right, and then I had 25 cents. So here's my 25. Okay, so I have $1, 25, 26, 27, 28. So her change is going to be $1.28. All right, and we need to make sure that when we write this, we separate the dollars from how many cents we have using the decimal point. Okay, so her change is $1.28. I hope that's the same answer that you got. If not, go back and rewatch this video to see how I did it so that when you do your next one, you can do the same thing.